Hello Slaters. In this video of polynomials and factorization, we will see the solutions of exercise 2.2. First question, find the value of the polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3 when x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to half. Now let's see the first part. Given p of x is equal to 4x square minus 5x plus 3. Now we need to replace x with 0. So p of 0 is equal to 4 into 0 square minus 5 into 0 plus 3. Now 0 square is 0 and number multiplied by 0 is 0. So we get 0 minus 0 plus 3. Therefore, p of 0 is second one. We need to find p of minus 1. So in the given p of x, we need to replace x with minus 1. So we get 4 into minus 1 whole square minus 5 into minus 1 plus 3. On simplification, we get p of minus 1 is equal to 12. Next question, we need to find p of 2. Now replace x with 2. 4 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 3. Now 2 square becomes 4, 5 into 2 becomes 10. So 4 into 4 is 16 minus 10 plus 3. Finally, on simplification, we get p of 2 is equal to 9. Next, we need to find p of 1 by 2. That is 4 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 3. On further simplification, 4 into 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 minus 5 into 1 by 2 is 5 by 2 plus 3. 4 by 4 becomes 1 minus 5 by 2 plus 3. Here the LCM is 2. Now the numerators become 2 minus 5 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. Finally, we get 3 by 2. Therefore, p of 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Second question, find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2 for each of the following polynomials. The first one is p of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. P of 0. So replace x with 0. We get 0 square minus 0 plus 1. Finally, we get p of 0 is equal to 1. P of 1, replace x with 1. We get 1 square minus 1 plus 1. On simplification, we get p of 1 is equal to 1. P of 2 is 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 square is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. Therefore, p of 2 is equal to 3. Next polynomial, p of y is equal to 2 plus y plus 2y square minus y cube. We need to find out p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. First, let us find p of 0. We need to replace y with 0. We get 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. On simplification, we get 2. Therefore, p of 0 is equal to 2. P of 1. We need to replace y with 1 to get the value of p of 1. So we have 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. On simplification, we get 4. Therefore, p of 1 is 4. P of 2. Now replace y with 2. So we get 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 cube. On simplification, we get 4. P of 2 is 4. Next polynomial, P of z is equal to z cube. We need to find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. We replace 0 in place of z, 1 in place of z and 2 in place of z to get P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. So P of 0 is 0 cube, which is 0. P of 1 is 1 cube, which is 1. And P of 2 is 2 cube, which is 8. So we have P of 0 as 0, P of 1 as 1 and P of 2 is 8. Next polynomial is P of t is equal to t minus 1 into t plus 1, which can be further simplified to t square minus 1 using the identity a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. Now we need to find out P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. We need to replace t with 0, 1 and 2 to get P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. First, let us see P of 0. We have 0 minus 1 multiplied with 0 plus 1. We get minus 1 into plus 1, which is minus 1. So P of 0 is minus 1. P of 1. Here t minus 1 into t plus 1 gives rise to t square minus 1. So directly in t square minus 1, t is replaced with 1. We get 1 square minus 1, which is 1 minus 1, which is 0. So P of 1 is 0. P of 2, again replace 2 in t square minus 1. 2 square minus 1, which gives 4 minus 1, which is 3. Therefore, P of 2 is 3. Next polynomial, P of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Here, again we need to find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. Just replace 0, 1 and 2 in place of x. Simplify to get their values. So on simplifications, we got P of 0 is 2, P of 1 is 0, P of 2 is 0. Fourth question. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Now to find the 0 of the given polynomial, equate the given polynomial to 0 and make x as the subject. Now first one, f of x is equal to x plus 2. Now x plus 2 should be equated to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0. Now when plus 2 is sent to the right side, it becomes minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2. Now minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial f of x is equal to x plus 2. I can say minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial because when I replace x with minus 2, I get f of minus 2 as 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 is called the 0 of the polynomial f of x. Now the second question, f of x is equal to x minus 2. Now equate x minus 2 to 0. So we get x is equal to 2. Now in this, f of x is equal to x minus 2. 2 is the 0 of the polynomial f of x is equal to x minus 2. Third question, f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. To find the 0 of the polynomial, equate f of x to 0 and make the variable x as the subject. So here 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, and on simplification we get x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Therefore, minus 3 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Fourth question, f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Now equate 2x minus 3 to 0, and on simplification we get x is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore 3 by 2 is the 0 of f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Fifth question, f of x is equal to x square. Now equate x square to 0. So x square is 0, x will be root 0, which is 0. So here the 0 of the polynomial f of x is equal to x square is 0. Sixth question, f of x is equal to p into x, where p is not equal to 0. Now equate px is equal to 0 and x becomes 0 by p, which is 0. So 0 of the polynomial f of x is equal to px is. Seventh question, f of x is equal to px plus q, where p is not equal to 0, p and q are real numbers. To find the 0 of px plus q, we need to equate px plus q to 0. Px plus q is equal to 0, px is equal to minus q, and x is equal to minus q by p. Minus q by p is the 0 of the polynomial f of x is equal to px plus q. Fifth question, if 2 is a 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, find the value of a. Let's see the solution. It is given that 2 is a 0 of the polynomial p of x. So when I replace x with 2, we get the result as 0. That is, p of 2 is equal to 0. Now 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 7a is equal to 0. Now 2 square is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, minus 3 into 2 is 6, plus 7a equal to 0. 8 minus 6 is 2, plus 7a is equal to 0. Now on simplification, a is equal to minus 2 by 7. Sixth question, if 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b, find the values of a and b. Let us see the solution for this. Now it is given that 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial f of x. That is, f of 0 is equal to 0 and f of 1 is equal to 0. First, let us find out f of 0 and equate that polynomial to 0. So 2 into 0 cube minus 3 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b. Now 0 cube is 0, 0 square is 0, and any number multiplied to 0 is 0. So finally we have b is equal to 0. So the value of b is 0. Next, f of 1 is also equal to 0. Now replace x with 1. We have 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus 0 is equal to 0. Here we replaced b with 0, which we got in the above simplification. Now 1 cube is 1, 1 square is also 1. Now 2 into 1 is 2 minus 3 into 1 is 3 plus a is equal to 0. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 plus a equal to 0. Minus 1, when it is shifted to right hand side, we get plus 1. Therefore, a is equal to 1. Hence, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. Note down these questions and solve as a part of homework. This is the end of exercise 2.2. Thank you.